We got another slick 250 heading out of the shop today. This one's on our off-road package, going on man Ryan. Let's check her out. Like I mentioned, off-road package. We got fully fabricated axles, front and rear, brace underneath from the firebox to the smoke chamber. Really like showing off all our excellent fabricators we got in the shop. On the tires, this is our medium size upgraded wheel here. We got some bigger, we got some smaller. Y'all don't want the small ones, y'all want the big boys. These things look great on here. Bronze wheels, always pop on these 250s. Fold down stack, that is standard on every tank smoker. We get to the smoke chamber here. Now this is our standard patina finish. What that is we leave the natural patina on the tank, clean it up a little bit. 3 coats of high gloss clear coat really makes it pop. Open up the smoker here. On the inside, we've got 2 sliding top trays and then 3 bottom trays. The bottom grates are removable for easy cleanup. We got a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Thermometer eyebrows over each thermometer here. TMG Pits Tell Trues on the thermometer right there. Come around to the firebox. This is our fully insulated firebox. Every tank smoker we do gets a fully insulated firebox. Doors insulated. We got a 24-inch round pipe inside. It's wrapped with insulation. Front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. Makes it a dream to cook on. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. And guys, she is ready to roll. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.